Hey, what's up, everybody? The other day we had some spare ribs, and what I get is I get the package of spare ribs, and then I cut them down St. Louis style. Now, when you get spare ribs, you know there's that flap of meat, and then there's the meat on top. Well, when you cut them St. Louis style, you cut across the top, so there's all that meat plus some gristle, and then you cut that flap, and then you get rid of the silver skin. So I didn't know what to do with that, so I did some research, and I'm gonna do carnitas. It's a Spanish dish, and it's my understanding carnitas translates into small meat, I think. This is a variation of Chef John from Food Wishes, a variation of his recipe. So right now I got my oven preheating at 275 degrees Fahrenheit, and I got here this is probably about 2 pounds, pound and a half, and we're gonna use some cumin. I'm gonna use some Sazon Seasoning, and this is the part that I got from Food Wishes. Chef John is Chinese 5-spice. We're gonna use an orange. We're gonna use some bay leaf, some fresh pepper, and maybe a pinch of salt. I'm not sure because there's salt in the Sazon. And we're going to use some garlic. Okay, so this meat is cubed. I got it cubed kind of small. I'm going to put it in this pan, or you can, I like using these disposable pans. And you can spread it out. I'm going to add the garlic. I just crushed the garlic. I didn't chop it up into, I just crushed it. A couple bay leaves. Yeah, that looks good. We're going to add the juice of one orange, and we're going to add some skin to it without the pith. Now, I've been wanting to try these scissors. These are new shears that I got. They come apart. And you'll see this. This is supposed to be for peeling. So let's see how it works. Peeled a little bit. Yeah. And you'll notice I don't have any of the pith. It's just, or you can use a potato peeler. I just wanted to see how this works. So that one's got some pith on it. No, I won't use that. Seems like this is more for a left-handed. Yeah, that's not going to work. Now, the amount of spices, I don't know. I'm gonna go by eye. Basically, this is the Sazon. I'm just gonna kind of cover it cumin. Cumin's very powerful, so I would say maybe quarter teaspoon, half teaspoon. 5 spices also kind of powerful, so only about a quarter teaspoon. Black pepper. I think I'm just going to do a pinch of salt. I'm going to do all that orange juice. I want some smokiness to it. I think I'm going to add a little bit of smoked paprika. Let's say half a teaspoon. Now we're going to add some olive oil. Now we're going to mix that well. So what we'll be doing with this is after it's done, we'll eat it on tortillas. Make like a, I guess like a taco. Now we're going to cover it with some aluminum foil. I always use heavy duty. Now we're going to put this in the oven at 275 for about 2 hours, 2.5 hours, somewhere around there. Yes, my oven's dirty. Again, like I said, we're going to let that go for about 2 hours, and then we're going to take it out and broil it a little bit, crisp it up some. Okay, so 2 hours is up. We'll take a look at it. Looks done. Just gonna give it a little taste for some seasoning. Perfect. That's really good. So it's perfectly seasoned. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out of the pan, save the juices, and then put it back in the pan without the juices, and we're going to put it under the broiler for a little bit. We're going to save this. I'm going to dump this back in here, and we're going to put it under the broiler for a little bit. Maybe pick out bay leaves. I'm going to raise the rack closer to the heating element in the oven, so this way when I broil it, it's closer to the food. Okay, so it's under the broiler, and I'll probably put under there for about 5 minutes. And then it should be done. Okay. So put it under the broiler a little bit. It kind of crisped up. Now we're going to take that juice and we're going to just like pour it over it so it soaks it back up. This meat is like really tender, which is what you want, because we're going to put this on some tortillas with some cheese and cilantro and onion. Give it one final taste. Oh, that's really good. That's really, really good. Very tasty. Ooh, can't wait for dinner. Hope you try this. You know, I used leftovers from trimming spare ribs, but you can use any kind of pork roast, any high-fat pork, because you want that fat. Anyway, thanks for stopping in, and we'll see you again soon.